Welcome to Investing with Danielle. I invest small amounts of money over a minimum 10-year horizon using an investment portfolio that I started with approximately $5,000. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share. You can see the balance there. $13,942.51. Okay, right now the purpose of this is to give an update, and right now I'm working on funding my operation dues and fees for investment club. I'm going to go look at some interest that I can, which has had quite a bit of gain. Okay, here's Capital One, 133% return, $160 of interest. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to Capital One. Balance is around $240. Capital One, $160. So let's go ahead and sell that because I'm trying to raise around $550. There's some things that I don't want to sell. Let's see. Okay, Kroger. See that Nvidia, 685% profit. Okay, process. The Prologis has made $20, but that's one of those REITs. I'm inclined to want to keep those to see what's happening. Prologis is interesting because Amazon leases from them. I'm gonna go ahead and get some of the process, which has had a $53 profit. So let's go ahead. This is a foreign stock. They're probably gonna tax it too. Gonna do a trade. We're gonna do a sell. Let's go ahead and say $50. It has to be liquidated in shares. Let's see. Let's do 4 shares. I'm leaving the Prologis alone that made $20. I just sold some process. I'm going to leave the Realty Income Corporation. That does monthly dividends. Sherwin-Williams, leave that alone. Simon Property, leave that alone. Okay, so 3M has made quite a bit of money, so I think I'm going to go ahead and do a sell on that. Oh, we're going to go back to dollars, and we're going to say $100. Okay, that's done. Close. Let's close that. Let's see what else has made money. This is... You know what? I made some interest off of CrowdStrike. Let's see. CrowdStrike. Let's say $20. I'm going to do a sell. I love some BlackRock. Let's see. I'm going to leave the advanced micro devices. That was 19. That's A. Alibaba. Let's see what else is in the leave the Apple alone. Okay, so I got 30 of BlackRock. Let's see, 30. I made 30% total gain. So let's just go ahead and do a trade for BlackRock. Guess I could do Citigroup. It's made some profit. Let's just go ahead and sell some Citigroup. Sell. So I guess we'll do... I'm going to sell based on just the gain, $30. And this principle right here, if you're retired and you're trying to live off of interest, this is how you would do it anyway. Not to this degree. I don't want to touch advanced micro devices. Clickety click, clickety clack. Did Capital One. Chevron doesn't have that much. Citigroup we did. Coca-Cola FEMSA only has 4. CrowdStrike we did. Federal Express has made $12. Let's see. Is there anything else? Ooh, ING. So we're at $420. We're going to go ahead and do a sell. Done. Okay, close. So let's see what else is available. We're looking at another $140. How about we look at Kroger? Plus 35 for Kroger. So let's just, it's actually plus 36. We'll go ahead and do a trade. And everyone, obviously, this is a portfolio I have for primarily education purposes. At some point it won't be that way, but right now it is. And so we are selling, right now our goal is to sell based on profit. And we really want to leave alone, leave Apple alone, leave AMD alone, leave Realty Investment Corporation alone. See, I've lost money on Apple Hospitality REIT. The invested amount is $298. And what is it currently worth? It's $280. I still actually have the amount that I invested in 3M. So I'm just going to go ahead and I need $90 more. I think I'm just going to do 100 because I just don't have a lot of interest in studying this stock. It was interesting, 3M had that lawsuit, but when it gets down to it, I don't think I'm going to be studying it anymore. And that'll take me to $550. That'll take me to $550. So that's going to be it, everyone. We'll see what happens. And again, let's look at the Nvidia. Let's finish off with the Nvidia. $230 cost basis. It represents 12.99% of my portfolio. The current value is $1,809. Y'all excuse me, I have the timer. $1,809. Total gain is 685.54%. Profit is $1,579.43. Here we go. Sold 3M, $99.95. You sold Kroger, $29.97. ING Group was sold, $28.85. You sold ING Group, $1.13. You sold Citigroup, $29.91. You sold BlackRock, $29.33. You sold CrowdStrike, $19.59. You sold 3M, $99.87. You sold Prologis, $49.12. You sold Capital One, $159.88.